People power! Our power! People power! Our power! People power! NUP! Everywhere! Everywhere! NUP! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! Kunga Angoye Kunga! Kunga! Kunga Munyoro Kunga! Kunga! Kunga Uruona Kunga! Kunga! Kunga Western Kunga! Bana madegamba ba MP baffe n'abakulembeze bansonyiwe wangira nazeemu ne mbafumba ate ne bajja bulungi babulako majjaani. Twabasabye bajje nti tugenda Ishaka tugenda kudiscussing manifesto nekusibira wano naye basalinde nnyo kuba era tuli ku manifesto kati ngokumwaleeba tujaha omulu Robert style abokuba embeera nimugimanya tikikwe mumanyi bulungi nnyo nga bwe tutambula nti singa twogera tetugenda okuzzaako bajja kutulebesa kibula kibulaba kati tukikola mu style ate twabagamba simanyi oba muzeeyinga butali mu mbeera ki kati twabagamba nti tuli babanda mujakeera kumaca nga ndi mu State House bagamba erizoba nyenda okusiima abantu boona konka ekyokusinga nisiima Lwanga ab'okutuwa okubaasa okukola ogumulimu nka SG okuyagambira ogumwanya tukagutunga nk'omwaka oguyisire ekyeto era babitegeera omwaka mulamba tukatunga okumwaka ogumwanya Deputy President witu akiri mulamu konka ekigo nshasha tituli nawe ekikyaha Lwanga amwekimulu kirungi twafuna kino ekifo nga tewali amanyi ne tukizimba nga tewali amanyi ne tutuuka wano nga tewali amanyi ne tukigulawo nga tewali amanyi tugenda kujjako Museveni okuba nti tetwagala mujjako na kibuli kubanga tuli bantu balungi. Nja kwebaza Deputy President waffe Madam Deputy, allow me to hand over these keys. Ayambala madodo nakutegwe nga Jesu yambadde red uniform yo. Katonda tukozesa okukyusa Uganda ate nga kigenda kubeerawo. Agenda tukozesa okugatta Uganda si kugigatta bugasi mu bantu nti ab'e West bakolagana n'aba North. Kino kyali kibaddewo era kigenda kubeerawo. Kyali kibaddewo ng'omuntu akolera Kampala n'agasula Mbalala. N'obaasa okuba n'okolera Kampala kandi n'olala Mbalala. Ekyo tukirabye mu nsi yonna singa tulina railway line ng'eri e Kenya kuba ebyo ebintu bina babibudgeting era naye ssente bazirya buli. Ekyomukisa omulungi Uganda ekyali ngagga ebyobugagga tubirina ng'ekyobugagga ekisinga be bantu yemu yeffe tugenda kukyusa Uganda yaffe. Mu kalulu kano ketugendamu it is not just my duty, it is not just a duty of these leaders. It is not a duty of Senya or Wongoya or Katana or Nyanza. It is a duty of everybody. Omulimu gwange gwe gumu n'ogugwo My duty here is to give you the same confidence for you to know that you can be a Kyagulanyi and you can do and say what I do and say. Let us do that as a people, as a generation. There's no other. Look at all of you. Look at all of you. Very young. Very young. 20 years ago, tewali yali mu politics one. Choka Museveni yali akamala 20 years. 40 years ago, tewali yali mu politics. 20 years ago, tewali yali mu politics. Even 10 years ago, very few. Yewe bali. So I want you to know that God has raised this generation and we must not disappoint God. Our country is going to be very proud of us. We are going to be the country that takes away the fear. We are going to be the generation that takes away the fear, the generation that brings back the love, the generation that connects people, that removes the tribalism, that removes the sectarianism, a generation that builds. Mufuna, a generation that builds, not a generation that divides. We are going to be a generation that unites, not a generation that divides. We are going to build, we are not going to break. We are going to build bridges, we are not going to build walls. This election is about the people and it starts now. Nabagambe kutuwagira obango ja okulwaleza ffe obango tuwagira the first qualification for anybody that supports change, that supports NUP, that supports my candidature is to have a national flag. Nebe kaba katono katya ka flag ka Uganda kateke mu nyumba yo ogambe I am not in this for Kyagulanyi, I am not in this for NUP, I am in this for Uganda. Yes. Only that NUP is leading this church. Yes. When you love Uganda, you are going to want change. When you love Uganda, you're going to see that it does not make sense to have one leader for 40 years. When you love Uganda, you're going to agree with me that all tribes matter and we should all be brothers and sisters. When you love Uganda, you're going to agree with me that we are all equal before and under the law. When you love Uganda, you're going to believe in unity, not division. So as we open this office, may this be the beginning of people coming together in Western Uganda. May this be the source of hope to everywhere. We are doing these permanent things because we are not going to be the permanent leaders. You see, temporary leaders, leaders that want to be permanent, they do temporary things. But leaders that don't want to stay for so long, they build permanent things so that they belong to the country. This belongs to NUP, not to me or anybody. We want to see this headquarter 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Ngatwaka diwanada, ngatwa retiring da, nganaba mubafada. Nenga generation izidako zitwala the idea mumaso, because this idea will unite Uganda and transform it into the country that we all want. So please build onto this. Be the agent of change. Be the agent of development. Let us do this together, brothers and sisters, and we can do it. Finally, natugenda mu kulonda. Natugenda mu kulonda, eno tugenda mu protest vote. Akabonero ki? Umbrella. Give these young people a chance. Give them a chance. These are our leaders that we have. They will represent you well. Western Uganda, you have been misrepresented for a long time. Yes. Bakari Sisra. Bakari Shisha. Erinya bali olona. Balozesa abantu abali eyo ti Western Uganda ofuna tribal allowance. Atena namwe mubona. Atena namwe mwagala change. Jagala You are sending a very strong message to the rest of the country. We are the same. We are going to be the same. We are going to have love. We are all going to unite. We are going to build a country. Never again shall any leader divide us, because we are the same. We have the same blood, we have the same pain, and we have the same dreams. And we are all going to enjoy a new Uganda by the grace of God. I want to once again appreciate you, the leaders of Western Uganda. I want to appreciate our fellow leaders. Secretary General Akoze Mulimo Gwamanyi Mumukubire ko Mungalo. Leader of opposition Akoze Mulimo Gwamanyi Mumukubire ko Mungalo kwa Maisenyane. Omwani kawape Benjamin Katana Akoze Mulimo Gwamanyi Mumukubire ko Mungalo. Chairman Nyazi Akoze Mulimo Gwamanyi Mumukubire ko Mungalo. Nabona abakulembeze mbakubire ko Mungalo. Echokusema Wetubade Gatukimbano Nyagala mugende nga muli confident nga mumanyi nti musobola okukola ebintu eno gavumenti netamanya. Musobola okupulaninga ebintu eno gavumenti netamanya. Nimanya okukitweka oku aruha abantu tikwe. Nimanya ngu mwamureba abazeyi nijaha abazeyi abo mwakumani mbareba oyo yadidize nimurebe enjangu ya baraka mwabanga kapanga ingirano mpola mpola oyo yadidize okufunga kapa nanyingira kati mujabaka nga buse kapa nanyingira musetasi. Mwebale mnonga, mwebale byona, ukunde kumeo. People power! Our power! NUP! Everywhere! Thank you very, very much, Mr. President. And God was our president. People power! Our power! People power! Before we sing the anthems, there are people who have gifts for the president. Asabwe Mwanguwe. Abaine bilabo bya president break the team yo YCG yeah YCG now why sorry president ilabo ni temba popularity people power Utrozoma kutayahira omuribarira kandi n'imikiri kujya nyakore aba Western Uganda okugo muteri akugeneraho yabonye umukurira atakagenera naronza koko people power hati twagirango umushya koko kumureba president witu akwali enyuma yeye nari mukazo amana nanga rokweta papitangana itungo papitangana hey hata jemuzi kama witu tushamango tutware otware Western sa papi itungo jemuzi kandi twale
Ayeri seno mukambi
ejiria babi itungo empire yawe kumunya difference yawe
ashira forward wali
Now, this uncle is from the student from his bigger savings has been able to mobilize and give you this big work. This is an honor and why he got
I want to say things. We can either give up or continue doing what we are doing. But if we give up, it is 10 times worse than what we are doing. So let's continue doing what we are doing. People power, our power, our power, people power.
Munonga mwe bali munonga. Kubatendo mungalabo abale ya president ebilambo. Obusinjiro ni wegambe chifu kyabula kigemweyoka.
People power. Our power. People power. Amazina tuuzu General Matabaro kandi chairman wa Isiro district na Mukanga constituency. Wetu itekatimu Isiro district president which from